Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the option General Management. Let's tap. Now let's enter language, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so simply tap on Add a Language, and here we've been immediately transferred to the list of available languages, but not all of them, because as you can see, we've got suggested. So if you cannot find the language you'd like to use here in this list, then simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on all languages. And as you can see, all of the available languages will appear right here, so for sure you will find the one you'd like to use, and all you have to do, obviously, you have to find it and tap on it. So let me pick, I don't know, maybe German. Let's tap on it, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So let me pick this one. And your device will ask you actually if you want to set the new language as a default one or keep current. So of course, let's tap on Set as Default. And as you can see, it immediately appears at the very top of the list. And right now, we've got the German language applied, so the whole system will be displayed in this language. Of course, you can change it just by tapping on the another language which is currently on this list and tapping on Probably Apply. I'm not really good at German. And after that, as you can see, the language will be immediately changed. And of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on Remove. Confirm it, and here we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.